the ultimate 7-step guide to choosing the right herb hydroponic kit. Welcome. The Nutrient Film Technique, NFT, hydroponics system delivers nutrients efficiently, conserves water with its recirculating design, and optimizes space, making it ideal for urban gardens. It's versatile and perfect for growing various crops like leafy greens and herbs. Assessing available space. Location: evaluate lighting, temperature, and humidity in your space. Space utilization: optimize space with vertical systems, shelving, or wall-mounted options. Aesthetic appeal: integrate the garden with your home decor. Budget considerations. Quality versus cost: balance affordability with quality components. Size and capacity: choose a kit that fits your space and production goals. Customizability: look for kits that allow adjustments for various herbs. Additional features: consider automated systems for ease of maintenance. Selecting the right herb types. Basil thrives in warm, sunny conditions. Mint prefers moist, shaded environments. Cilantro grows best in cooler temperatures with partial shade. Thyme requires sunny, well-drained conditions. System compatibility: match herbs with the appropriate hydroponic system, NFT, DWC, etc. Understanding lighting requirements. Natural light: position your system to maximize natural sunlight. Artificial light: use LED or fluorescent lights for consistent growth. Light spectrum and intensity: tailor light settings to each herb's needs. Duration of exposure: ensure optimal photosynthesis with proper light timing. Importance of nutrient solutions. Optimal nutrient balance: maintain a balance of macro and micronutrients. Customized nutrient formulas: adjust nutrients based on the growth stage. Quality standards: use high-quality, contaminant-free ingredients. Ensuring water quality. Water purity: maintain clean, contaminant-free water. pH balance: monitor and adjust pH levels to suit herb requirements. Filtration and treatment: invest in quality water filtration systems. Support and training resources. Comprehensive starter kits: look for kits with clear instructions and tutorials. Interactive training: access modules on nutrient management, pest control, etc. Expert consultation: seek vendors offering direct support from professionals. Community engagement: join online forums for peer support and knowledge sharing. Conclusion. In starting your hydroponic journey, it's essential to consider all key factors, including space, budget, herb types, lighting, nutrients, water, and available support. By making informed choices in each of these areas, you set yourself up for success in growing fresh, flavorful herbs at home. Embrace the adventure of herb hydroponics and look forward to enjoying a thriving indoor garden. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about hydroponic gardening. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tutorials. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening!